Good morning. Today is Wednesday, May 20th. For reading, we are reading Shapes at the Pool. And after this book is done, I'd like you to ask your child what was one of the pool objects and the corresponding shape. So really asking them to name one example from the book of one of the shapes and what that shape actually was. For example, the pool was a rectangle. In language and math, you're just doing the third page of your practice tests. So for the language one, it's actually a writing piece. So the top are 2 complete sentences about winter, complete being the main thing. They need to make sure they have capitalization at the beginning. They need to have a full thought. A complete sentence is not a it's not just like saying went to store. It's I went to the store. So really explaining that concept to them and then also making sure it's about winter. So those 2 complete sentences about winter. And then at the bottom, you just need to time them for 10 minutes and they can write anything they want down here. Now, I am looking for complete sentences here too, but it can be about whatever they want. So they can tell a story, they can tell me all about their favorite things. It can be anything. So whatever they want here, as long as it's complete sentences and 10 minutes. And if they need more space, feel free to write on the back. For math, they're doing word problems, and this is definitely where they'll need your help reading unless they're at a level where that's something that's not needed for them, even though I'd still like you to be there to explain anything that they don't understand. And there's, some addition and subtraction concepts here. So for this one, it's technically subtraction, but they could be counting up to figure out the difference between 10 and 6. For this one, it's noticing that it's also kind of subtraction in a way because they're just comparing the 2 sets of flowers. They're not actually finding an answer. They're not subtracting or adding anything, except that for their picture, they need to be able to add up from Molly's flowers. So it says Julia has 4 more than Molly. Molly has 9. So having them draw Molly's first, since they know how many she has, and then Julia's set would have 9 plus 4 more. And then down here, just adding 3 numbers. So adding a set of numbers. And then at the bottom is geometry. And they just need to connect the letters using a ruler or a flat surface to find out what this shape would be. What is the shape on the line? And then down below, what is a shape with 3 sides? So asking them what kind of shape could have 3 sides. In hindsight, I'm looking at what I made here, and I wish that I would have done A, B, C, D to not confuse them to go from A, B, C, D, which would make a Z. So please help them to understand that I wanted it to be a square. And for the final test, I'll make sure that's more clear. And for writing, they're doing typing all numbers on education.com. And that's it for yesterday. So as always, I'm here for you if you need any help with anything. And tomorrow morning, Thursday morning, I will be sending the final tests for both language and math in an email. So look out for that. Thank you so much for all you do. Bye.